Before you begin, remove the access panel, riser assembly if installed, and memory fan duct assembly. Removal. Disconnect the Gigabit expansion board cable from the system board. Remove the T15 Torx-head screw that secures the Gigabit expansion board to the chassis. Lift the Gigabit expansion board off of the retention tab on the chassis and remove. Replacement. Important: if you are installing a Gigabit expansion board for the first time, remove the metal cover from the chassis. Place the Gigabit expansion board under the retention tab on the chassis. Replace the T15 Torx-head screw that secures the Gigabit expansion board to the chassis. Connect the Gigabit expansion board cable into the connector on the system board.